She's been listening to her aunt, lining up and singing. Yeah, don't bother her now. Don't bother. No, leave that back. She doesn't play with that yet. Robin's going to sit out the beach trip because it's a little bit hot for her. She's not even 2 weeks old yet. That's just the sweetest little thing.
Or 1 year old. She's like a week old in a few days.
Yeah. She's a sweet, sweet baby girl.
I love her.
I do too, Allie.
I love her and Ben.
Yeah, there's your niece as well. That's just a decoration for the bassinet, sweetie.
Hi,
Don't wake her up, girl. Don't wake her up. I think she likes to touch a little bit. Don't you think? She really is a snuggler.
And she doesn't cry much, too. She's not.
Okay.
She's a non-crying baby.
Lay their hands on the baby. They think she's pretty sweet. Man's a little snuggle bug and Balance plays with him.
Did she laugh?
And you're shaking the bassinet a little bit. Don't lean on it so hard.
Did she laugh?
I don't think she laughed really just then.
She doesn't cry much.
Sweetie baby.
She doesn't cry.
No, she doesn't cry very much at all.